Welcome to Class 9 Mathematics Chapter 1 Number System. In this lesson, we can study about the number system. You do only, you will watch this video in full screen only. Otherwise, you cannot see, you cannot watch the small letters in it. In this lesson, we can study about a number system. First, we are studying about natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to which number? We don't know which is the highest number. Such numbers is called natural numbers. They are denoted by capital N. So, N is equal to the set of 1, 2, 3 up to the highest number infinity. We are telling the highest number as infinity. In fact, we don't know what is the value of infinity. Second one is the whole numbers. In addition to the whole number, in addition to the natural numbers, we include a 0. So we will get a whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by W. वो नेचुरल नंबर्स के साथ 0 ऐड करने के टाइम हमको क्या मिलता है? होल नंबर्स मिलता है. वो W is equal to the set of 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the which number? ओके वो क्या है हमको पता नहीं है. विच इज द हाईएस्ट नंबर. W is equal to the set of 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. वो नेचुरल नंबर्स का साथ 0 ऐड करते हैं तो हमको होल नंबर मिलेगा. थर्ड वन इज इंटरजेस. व्हाट इज इंटरजेस? If to the whole numbers we add negative numbers, we get integers. The whole, what is whole number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is known as a whole numbers. होल नंबर के साथ हम क्या करना चाहिए? नेगेटिव नंबर्स. व्हाट आर द नेगेटिव नंबर्स? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. It is coming from which number? It is also coming from infinity. Infinity to -1. So, what includes in integers? All positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. Negative numbers, 0 and all positive numbers included in integers. It denotes by the capital letter I. I is equal to the set of -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. NIS के पीछे वाला नंबर भी है, आगे वाला नंबर भी है. Fourth one is rational numbers. What is rational numbers? Rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Which form? P by Q का फॉर्म क्या है? फ्रैक्शन है. फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में लिखने एक्सप्रेस कर सकता है. Where P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers without any common factor. ये P और Q के बीच में कॉमन फैक्टर कोई नहीं आना चाहिए. सपोज P is equal to 8 and 4 is equal to Q. P और P 8 और Q 4 आता है तो इसको एक कॉमन फैक्टर है 2. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. सेकंड कंडीशन क्या है? Q is not equal to 0. नीचे वाला नंबर 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. नीचे वाला नंबर 0 होता है तो इसको वैल्यू नहीं है. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. We don't know which is that number. We cannot define that number. Okay. So two conditions for rational numbers. First one is it is we can be expressed it as a P by Q. That means it can be represented as a fractional number. You think that 2 is can be expressed as a rational number? Definitely. Q has a denominator that is 1. Every counting numbers have a denominator that is 1. 2 by 1 is 2 only. So we can express 2 as a P by Q. And 1 is not equal to the 0. So all counting numbers are all counting numbers are rational numbers only. That's all. Exercise 1.1. First question, is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P by Q? 0 क्वेश्चन क्या है, 0 रेशनल नंबर है, वो P by Q फॉर्म में लिख सकता है. P by Q का फॉर्म क्या है? इट इज अ फ्रैक्शनल number. It is a fractional number only. So we can we write in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. P and Q क्या होना चाहिए? Integer होना चाहिए. And Q is not equal to 0. That is the definition of rational number. Our question is 0 a rational number? Let us go to solution. 0 is equal to 0 by 1. 0 is equal to 0 by 1 is 0 only. 0 is a rational number, 1 is also a rational number. Okay? And 1 is not equal to 0. So we go to the answer, because 0 we can write in the form of P by Q, where P is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 1. So P is equal to 0 means it is a rational number, and Q is also a rational number. 0 is a rational number, 1 is also a rational number. So we go. So Q can be. There's another point that Q can be any number. One not we can write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any number we can write P by Q. P is 0 and Q is equal to 2. Your answer will be 0 only. Any number divided by 2, any 0 divided by any number is 0 only. Second question is, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Let us go to the solution. Let A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. So, rational numbers between 3 and 4 is equal to A plus B by 2. A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. So, 3 plus 4 by 2. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 2 is the denominator. So 7 by 2 is the first number between 3 and 4. Let us go to the second number. Rational number between 3 and 7 by 2. 3 plus 7 by 2 by 2. 3 plus 7 by 2 divided by 2. By 2 का मतलब क्या है? Divided by 2 है. First we want to find out the denominator of 3 by 1 and 7 by 2. 1 and 2 का denominator find out करना है. 3 का denominator क्या आना चाहिए? 2 आना चाहिए, नहीं तो हमको डिवाइड ऐड करना नहीं हो सकता है. 3 plus 7 by 2. Divided by 2. So we want to change 3 a number with a denominator 2. 3 into 2 by 2. You will get a 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and the denominator we are writing same only. So 6 by 2. 6 by 2 का value कितनी है? 3 only. Let us add 6 by 2 plus 7 by 2 multiply 1 by 2. 6 by 2 का meaning क्या है? 3 only. So we how do we write 3 as 6 by 2? We want to make the denominator same. Otherwise we cannot add two fractional numbers. So 6 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Multiply 1 by 2. How to get this 1 by 2? Divide. We want to divide 2 divided by 2. Next number is rational number between 13 by 4 and 7 by 2. That is 13 by 4 plus 7 by 2 by 2. That is equal to 13 by 4 plus 14 by 4. Multiply 1 by 2. You think that multiply 1 by 2 कहाँ से मिला था? ये डिवाइड बाई 2 है ना, सबसे नीचे वाला नंबर 2. वो 2 का डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? 1 है. 2 by 1 है 2. सो वी वांट टू डिवाइड बाई 2 के लिए क्या करता है? मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1 by 2 करता है. इसका उल्टा से मल्टीप्लाई करता है. देन 7 by 2 change into 14 by 4. Why? We want to make the denominator same. Otherwise, we cannot add the fractional numbers. 14 by 4 is equal to 7 by 2 only. Cut this number with 2, 7. 2s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. We can cut and write 7 by 2. So 13 by 4 plus 14 by 4 into 1 by 2. Into का मतलब क्या है? Multiply. To see easy word we are using in mathematics. Into 27 by 4 into 1 by 2. 27 कहाँ से मिलेगा? 13 plus 14 is equal to 27 and 4 is the remainder. So 4 is the denominator. 27 by 4 into 1 by 2. 27 multiply 1 is equal to 27 and 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. I will say multiply into guna. We can use any word for it. So you get the answer, get the number 27 by 8. Then next number, rational number between 7 by 2 and 15 by 4. How to write this one? 7 by 2 plus 15 by 4 by 2. So what will write? 14 by 4 plus 15 by 4 into 1 by 2. 7 by 2 we change into 14 by 4. Why? The denominator we want to make the same. 4 we want to get the denominator of both numbers. So what we will do? 2 into 7 is 14 and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. We are multiplying with the 2 by 2. You will get a 14 by 4 plus a 15 by 4 into 1 by 2. You know that how to get to this 1 by 2. I will say once more because in the question by 2 है, by 2 का मतलब क्या है? डिवाइडेड बाई 2 है. ये डिवाइडेड बाई 2 उल्टा करता है, 1 by 2 आता है. 2 by 1 change into 1 by 2 and the division change into multiplication. So multiply 1 by 2. 14 plus 15 is equal to 29 and 4 as the remainder. Then multiply with 1 by 2. You will get 29 into 1 is equal to 29 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Your answer is 29 by 8. Then rational number between 15 by 4 and 4. 15 by 4 और 4 के बीच में एक नंबर है, वो फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए. 15 by 4 plus 4 by 2. How to do this one? 15 by 4 we are changing 15 by 4 writing that. Next one is we want to change the 4 as a number as a number with the denominator 4. Here write 18 number, but there is a mistake only. You will write a 16 by 4. Okay, 16 by 4. Here 18 not 16. it was a mistake only. So you will write 16 by 4 into 1 by 2. You know that how to get this 1 by 2. So 15 by 4 plus 16 by 4. 15 plus 16 is equal to 31. You are thinking that 15 plus 18 is equal to 33. No. Actually, that 18 is mistake only. There 16 will come. So 15 plus 16 is equal to 31. And 4 is the same denominator. So we are writing denominator 4. 31 by 4 into 1 by 2. 31 into 1 is 31 and 4 into 2 is equal to 8. The number is 31 by 8. So we got all 6 numbers between 6 numbers. Look at here, 6 numbers between 3 and 4. Look at here. What are the 6 numbers? We find out 13 by 4, 27 by 8, 7 by 2, 29 by 8, 15 by 4 and 31 by 8. We are using another method to find out the numbers between, the rational numbers between 3 and 4. It's very easy only. It is, I think that it is, you will use this method, you can very easy to find out the numbers. Look at here. We can write 3 and 4 as the form of P by Q. That is 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. We can write 3 as 3 by 1 and 4 as 4 by 1. That is there is no value change. 3 by 1 is the form of fractional form of 3 and 4 is fractional form of 4 is equal to 4 by 1. So we write in the form of P by Q, that is 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. Okay. You know that 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So we are multiplying 7 by 7 with both 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. Look at here. Here 3 by 1 multiply 7 by 7. 3 7s are 21 and 1 7s are 7. So you get 21 by 7. It is 21 by 7 is what? 1 by 3. It's 3 by 1 only. There is no value change between 3 by 1 and 21 by 7. 3 by 1 is equal to 21 by 7. Next number is 4. 4 by 1 multiply by 7 by 7. You will get 4 7s are 28 and 1 7s are 7. 28 by 7. You know this 7 by 7 ka matlab kya hai? 1 hai. If you will multiply with any number, you will get the same number only. So 28 by 7 will get. First number is 21 by 7 and that is equal to 3, and second number is 28 by 7, that is equal to 4. So we are find out the numbers between 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. That means you are finding out the numbers between 3 and 4. 3 is equal to 21 by 4 and 4 is equal to 28 by 7. 21 के बाद में क्या आता है? 22 by 7 आता है. इसके बाद में क्या आता है? 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. You will get 6 numbers. Very easy method. Okay, third question. Find the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. We are using the same method what I used in the last question. We can use the second method as it is very easy. So 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus? This numerator 3 plus. We are adding 3 plus 4. That you will get 7. Then what will do? 7 by 7 से दो number multiply करना चाहिए. 3 by 5 into 7 by 7. You will get 3 7s are 21 and 5 7s are 35. that is equal to 21 by 35. 3 by 5 is equal to 21 by 35. दोनों same number है. Second number is 4 by 5. Multiply 7 by 7. What will get? 4 into 7 is equal to 28, and 5 into 7 is equal to 35. So 28 by 35. 3 by 5 is equal to 21 by 35, and 4 by 5 is equal to 28 by 35. So we will find out the numbers between 21 by 35 and 28 by 35. Very easy only. 21 के बाद में 22 आएगा. 22 by 35, 23 by 35, 24 by 35, 25 by 35, and 26 by 35. You can also get a number 27 by 35. We don't want, because we want to find out only 5 numbers. Question is find out the 5 numbers only. Okay. Fourth, state whether the following statements are true or false and give a reason for your answers. First question, every natural number is a whole number. No. Every natural number is a whole number. Correct only. That is correct only. Second question is, every integer is a whole number. No, every integer is not a whole number. We can find out the reason also. Third question is, every rational number is a whole number. No, every rational number is not a whole number. Solution. Look at here. First question. What is the first question? Every natural number is a whole number. Answer true, because all natural numbers plus 0 is equal to whole number. So whole numbers contain all natural numbers. So correct answer. Second, what is the second question? Every integer is a whole number. False. Why? Negative numbers are not whole numbers. इंटीजर्स में क्या आता है? नेगेटिव नंबर भी आता है. ये होल नंबर्स नहीं है, इसीलिए सेकंड आंसर इज फॉल्स ओनली. थर्ड वन, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? Every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. Look at here. False. Whole numbers are only a part of rational numbers. Whole numbers, rational number का एक part है. Fractional numbers also rational numbers है. All fractional numbers also rational number है. वो whole numbers में fractional numbers नहीं आते, इसलिए ये भी false है.